What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with the video of the year. Yes, you don't want to miss this. This is my Sui price prediction, my exact price targets for this bull market for Sui. And of course, I have a whole price prediction on a bunch of coins I've been making. If you want to check out that playlist, it'll be here in the cards or towards the end of the video. You just click on it, or you can go in the description or even my channel. And you can actually refer a coin. So if you want to just comment below, refer a coin, and I'll make a video on it. But this is my Sui price prediction. We're going to take a look here in the charts. And even before that, where I buy Sui and I trade it, like I leverage trade Sui as well as buy it on spot, BTCC. You guys can check out BTCC right there. Use the code Sir Lewis for 10% deposit bonus up to 10K. Yes, I'm not even making that up. 10% deposit bonus up to 10K. This has to be at least 500 bucks and you get that 10% deposit bonus. But depending on how much you deposit, the max reward is 10K. So take advantage of that. This is VPN KYC free as well. You can use this anywhere in the United States. But check out BTCC. You can either click the link in the pinned comment and it'll add the Sir Lewis code automatically, or you can just automatically add the code Sir Lewis, as you can see right there. So now let's take a look here at Sui, because I believe Sui is going to take off. This is its first bull market. It's a layer 1, and it's giving Solana vibes from Solana's, last bull market for Solana 2021. So this coin, a lot of people are comparing it to Solana, and stay tuned because at the end of the video, we're going to compare market caps to Solana. Okay. And it's going to surprise you guys because it's going to be very well correlated to my price targets. Now, before we even look at Sui BTCC. Yes, guys, I know, not BTCC, BTC. It's boring to look at these charts, but these charts are really what's going to help you. The Bitcoin pairs. Why are they so important? Because it's Bitcoin versus Sui. When Sui is topping out, I can almost guarantee you when Sui tops out, it's gonna be looking something like that, something similar to like that. It's gonna be completely different from this, which we've been in this range here, right? We're gonna explode. So this is a very important chart. Obviously, this is the uptrend here. If Sui's touching these levels over here, you want to look at where we are in the markets because that could potentially be the top for Sui based on the Sui Bitcoin pair. The other two things too is the Sui longs, and this is all on TradingView, by the way. So the Sui 3x longs and 3x shorts. So this is 3x longs. You can see that we've been coming down at the market, so we've been getting a big red candle because longs are not making money, right? They're losing money, so we're coming down. Now the thing is, the way the logic for this is when Sui goes up near its all-time highs, you're gonna start to see longs really profit, man. I'm gonna be one of them, so that's why you want to join BTCC. But yeah, I mean, when we come to this level, this could definitely be a good profit-taking stage right here. I want to say this is the top. I mean, because this could be the top up here. But this could be a big pullback, right, for Sui, where longs get liquidated, and then we go to the top. It's just a scenario. But this is another important chart. And the other one, of course, is the 3x shorts. Right now, the 3x short, you can see that we've been coming down because, the bull market, the trend has been up. So we've been slowly coming down here. And then I would say, watch this level right here. When the Sui shorts come down here, this could be a level where the top is in, or it could even go down lower. So these are all important charts, guys. You don't want to this is why my price predictions are deep. I go full on analysis. Other price predictions just show you the charts here for Sui. These charts are all correlated and they're all going to help you. They're all confluence that's going to help you make the best decision on when to sell Sui. And by the way, you can check out my course, The 8 Signals to Sell, if you guys are interested. But let's take a look at Sui, because I'm loving Sui here. On the monthly, we're actually very oversold. So when we're here at my targets and we're overbought again on the monthly, I believe there's a time span between 1 to 3 months where the top will be in. So the stochastic right here on the monthly. Again, we might still have some time here where we bring that money flow green down here and then we start to move up. But when we're overbought on the monthly for money flow in green, stochastic, RSI, right? Just like we kind of were over here. When we look something like this in the future or over here somewhere, that's when the top could possibly be in. Okay. Now, let's take a look here at my Fibonacci targets, because, that's why I show you guys here my Fibonacci targets. We can see that Sui had a beautiful pullback here to that 618, bounce off of it, and since then it's just been taken off. That was from 49 cents all the way to 5.54, and now we've been pulling back on that 0.23 right here, which this is Sui's biggest point of control ever. And when I say point of control, it's because it's a point of control where bears got control right there. Bulls got control right there. And then bulls have been maintaining control. But for sure, next bear market, we're coming back down here, right? So what we can see from this Fibonacci, my conservative target here for Sui is 15 bucks for Sui, which for right now, if you actually look at it, for right now where Sui's at, that would be at about a 4x. So not too crazy, right? Not too crazy, a 4x right there. Now the higher target here is 24 bucks. And this is going to surprise you because, you know, when I compare Solana to Sui, you're going to see, wow, it's the exact number. But 24 bucks brings us to about a 7x. So a 7x for Sui, not too bad either, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people are super bullish on Sui. They see it going a lot higher. And, you know, what's crazy is when I get the measured move here, because Sui's been in this flag, and when it breaks out, I mean, this is going to be a major measured move here. You can see right here, depending on where it breaks out, that measured move aligns with my next Fibonacci target, which is the highest price point I see Sui going to at the 618, which brings it to around 63, 60 bucks. 60 bucks, which for right now, that would be about an 18x for Sui, right? You know, one of the top, you know, I believe it's in the top 30, right? And it's a layer 1. So that would be insane. That if it hits that zone, that it will be similar to Solana from last bull market, like the same explosive moves. But that's the highest I see it going to. Most likely it'll top out somewhere in between 15 to 25, around here somewhere, right? That's the, so what you can do is you can take out 80% and hold the next, right, depending on the market. I'll keep you guys updated as this goes. Now let's take a look here at CoinMarketCap of, which is a free website, and here we get to compare Sui's current market cap to Solana's market cap right now. How much would it be if Sui had the same market cap as Solana right now? It would be a 7x to 24 bucks, which is one of our exact Fibonacci zones right there at 24 bucks Sui, a 7x. So, you know, but that's Solana market cap right now. Now let's say if we were to compare it to Solana's market cap all-time high, which is not too far, it would be a 10x, 36 bucks. So, you know, Solana's all-time high, 36 bucks, kind of a little bit up higher than our Fibonacci, kind of in between both, right? In between both the 618 and the 0.38 for Solana's all-time high, which again is reachable. And again, my prediction is around, you know, these levels right here, if we're being more conservative, right around, you know, from 24 to 30, 25 here somewhere, depending on where we are in the market. That's where I'm going to be selling most of my Sui. But there is a slight, I mean, there is a big chance this coin, especially if we get some big news regarding Sui, some bullish news, we can definitely go up there to 60 bucks, guys. We can. But that's the thing. If we hit 60 bucks, I'm going to be fully out, okay? And, you know, we're getting that with the measured move and the Fibonacci targets here, and it's Sui's first bull market. So what's going to make it go up there to 60 bucks is going to be catalyst, good news. And also, if Sui starts to run fast, right? If Sui is one of the front runners, which it has been recently, and it's moving first, I mean, not first, but like along with the layer ones, Ethereum, BNB just broke all-time high. Solana, if it's showing you signs that it's moving first and not lagging behind, then that's a sign that it can hit that. So I'll be keeping you guys up to date with Sui. Comment below other coins you guys want me to do a price prediction on. Again, I have a price prediction playlist. It should be coming up here at the end. You should see the playlist right there. You can click on it and check out BTCC, guys. Check out my course, 8 Signals, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.